Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to see a member's email on Slack. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to acquire a member's email just so that they could actually email them. Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, and so let's go and get started. Right now, we're on a demo Slack channel, and there's only 2 members within the Slack channel. But how do you go about seeing what the email is of BaileyGo? Now, what you're going to do is highlight the name of your Slack channel, and then click on the drop-down menu that's highlighted over your name. Here, you're going to highlight Tools and Settings until the drop-down appears, and then you're going to scroll down and click on where it says Manage Members. Now, once you click on Manage Members, you're going to reach this Manage Members page, which has a full member list. On this member list, over here, if I swipe to the left, you're going to see all the emails of your members here. So this is an easy way to actually see additional data as well, such as account type, billing status, authentication, expiration date, date joined. There's a lot of details that you could actually see amongst your members in this really nice table list view. So this is the best and easiest way I found to actually see members' emails. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.